Hi. So in this problem, we are going to look at a very simple number theory question. I wanted to show you some questions which could technically appear in PRMO and sometimes even in multiple choice questions in JEE Advanced. So the question is find all positive integers n for which 5 power n plus 5 power 5 minus 5 power 4 is a perfect square. So basically, we want to ensure that this is a perfect square. So it must be some m squared. M is some integer. M is some integer. So you can calculate 5 power 5 minus 5 power 4. You take 5 power 4 common and it is 5 minus 1. This is 625 into 4. Here you have 5 power n plus this. So this is equal to m square. You get 5 power n plus 2500 is equal to m square. Now, at this stage, you should take 2500 on the other side and factorize it. 5 power n is equal to m square minus 2500. This can be written as m plus 50 and m minus 50. At this stage, think about what is happening here. Here you have 5 power n, and here you have product of two numbers, two integers. So obviously, if the product of two integers is 5 power n, that means the integers themselves have no other prime factors other than 5, right? Basically, these are some powers of 5. So some powers of 5. You cannot have any other prime factor in the factorization of these two integers. Obviously, you can see here that these numbers differ from each other by 100. M plus 50 minus m minus 50 is equal to 100. So what are the powers of 5 that differ from each other by 100? Actually, there is only one possible option. This has to be 125 and this has to be 25. That is just common sense. There is no other set of powers of 5 whose difference is 100. Right? So by that, we know that this is 125, this is 25. So m must be what? 75. If m is 75, we have the overall expression here becomes 5 power n is equal to 125 into 25. This is technically 5 power 5. And 5 power n is 5 power 5 means n is equal to 5. So we have quickly solved this question. And here there is no other possible value of n. There is only one answer. Why? Because when you write it like this, either the difference of powers of 5 is less than 100 or the difference of powers of 5 is more than 100. But it cannot be 100 in any other situation. If you take higher powers, for example, 5 power 4 and 5 power 3, right? This is 625 and this is 125. So the difference has become 500. Here the difference was 100 when you had 125 and 25. And before that, 25 and 5, the difference is only 20. So the difference of powers of an exponential function will rise very fast and it will take the value 100 only once. So n is equal to 5 is the solution. If you have understood the problem, you can also attempt similar problem here. Find n so that 2 power n plus 2 power 7 plus 2 power 4 is a perfect square. Find all possible n so that this is a perfect square. And I think you will be able to solve it in a similar way. I will just supply the answer for you. The answer for this is n is equal to 8. You can check whether you understood the solution, see if you have gotten this answer, right? That's all for this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. I'll be bringing more content for you in the future videos. And we'll also be looking at some geometry problems soon. So hope you're excited about that. I'll see you next time.